Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capital One 360 easy access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Capital One website, www.capitalone.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the website loads, look for the sign in button. The sign in button is typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your Capital One username in the designated field. Next, click on the password field. Type in your password. Double-check your entries to ensure they are correct. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the corresponding links below the login fields. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Once you have entered your username and password, look for the Sign In button on the login page. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you wish to stay signed in for future visits, you can toggle the Remember Me option before you log in. After a successful login, you will be redirected to your Capital One 360 account dashboard. Congratulations, you are now logged in to Capital One 360. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable and try again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.